Hello everyone, my name is Shrutapa Bhattacharya. I am Assistant Professor in Siliguri Institute of Technology. Today I am going to present data analytics using R for Sky5 Labs online course, and my project title is World Happiness Report on 2015. Each country's happiness score is calculated by summing the 7 other variables in the table. Each of these variables reveals a population weighted average score on a scale running from 0 to 10 that is tracked over time and compared against other countries. These variables are economy, family, health, freedom, trust, generosity, dystopia. Each country's happiness score determines its happiness rank, which is its relative position among other countries in that specific year. I shall concentrate on the final happiness score to demonstrate the technical aspects of our language. Library is required DPLYR. First of all, upload all the 2015 data happiness report, and these are the datas. Then drop field standard error column number 5 and existing data. Now distinct some regions here. These are the regions. Now these are the continents, all are here. Calculate mean and average all the values of continent. Now display the summary report after that. Maximum happiness score minus 7.587, minimum is 2.839, maximum GDP minus 1.609, health life expectancy minus 1.0252, freedom minus 0.6696. Display the top 10 countries with their happiness rank. Here display 10 happiest countries from Western Europe and 2 from Australia and New Zealand region. Display top 10 countries with least happiness rank. Tell display last 10 unhappiest countries majorly from Sub-Saharan Africa region. Happiness score of each continent. Australia, North America, South America are the happiest continents. Africa and Asia are the least happiest. Now calculate correlation among all the numerical values. These are the correlation among all the correlation values. Then we understand happiness rank is inversely proportional to the score. We will find correlation with score following that the highest correlation value GDP, family, health, freedom, dystopia, residual. So happiness score for regions and countries are in this way. Happiness region North America 2 countries, Australia continent 2 countries, Western Europe 21. Unhappiest region Sub-Saharan America, there are 40 countries are there. Now continent wise happiness score is this one. Europe is the happiest continent, Africa is the most unhappiest continent. So this is the scatter plot of our life expectancy. We can see Europe and South America have strong correlation, Africa has neutral. Scatter plot for economy. Whereas economy concerned, South America have strong correlation, data not comparable here. Scatter plot for freedom. Europe and South America have positive correlation, Africa is more poor correlation. Scatter plot for family. Europe and South America have positive correlation. Scatter plot for trust on government. Asia, Africa and South America have least trust. Europe has mixed trust. Happiness score for regions and countries. Now this is the database happiest, neutral, and these all the things are there. Where scatter plot for economy. Happiest have highest correlation and least happiest have low correlation. Scatter plot for family. This is the scatter plot for health. Least happiness has low correlation, happiest data is not related to health. Scatter plot for freedom. Happiness is not related to freedom. Scatter plot for trust on government. Happiness is not related to trust on government. Scatter plot for generosity. People from neutral nations are less generous. Scatter plot for dystopia residual. And this is the world map of GDP 2015, world map of health expectancy 2015. And thank you. This is my learning process and I have implemented this. Thank you, Skyfi Labs, for assisting me.